Hi all, welcome to the demo of Google Lead Form extension to Salesforce. So let's get started. First of all, I'll walk you through the lead form extension. So this is the lead form extension. So we want these data to be integrated to Salesforce. So apart from this, we need to configure a webhook URL so that the data from lead form extension get posted to the webhook URL. So in the middle, we are using Delbhoomi to integrate to Salesforce. So we need to configure a webhook URL so that the Delbhoomi endpoint gets hit. So this is my Delbhoomi endpoint. Before hitting this endpoint, I'll walk you through the Delbhoomi process. So this is the Delbhoomi process, and these are my configurations. So first I had set up a web service so that the data from Google Lead extension get posted here. And apart from that, going further, I had used mapping to map the data. These are the fields which we would be getting from the Google Lead Form extension, and I'm mapping these fields here. So these are some of my mappings. So going further, I had used one more map. I'm simply converting the data file to XML file, the JSON data file to XML data file, and after that I had configured Salesforce connector, and that I had given a connection setting plus the operation settings in the Salesforce. So that's it. These are the configuration that I have given in the in the Delbhoomi process. So this is these are all the leads I have for now in the Salesforce. I'll reload this page. Okay, now I'll go to lead form extension. I'll hit this URL. I'll send the data. Now hoping for the best. Yeah, test data send. Now I'll look in the leads if we were able to integrate the data successfully. Yeah, here we can see we were able to integrate the data.